Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today I'm going to show you how to make brown sugar with only 2 ingredients. So if you've got a recipe that calls for brown sugar and you looked in your pantry and you do not have any brown sugar, you do not have to go to the store if you've got these 2 ingredients. So I've got 1 cup of sugar here and we'll add that into this bowl. And our second ingredient is going to be molasses. So for light brown sugar, we're going to take 1 tablespoon of our molasses and put that into our mixture. So now that we've got our molasses mixed in with our sugar, you can either take your clean hands or you can take a spatula, and we just want to get this started incorporating it into our sugar. All right, now that we got that process started, I'm going to take my clean hands and I'm going to go ahead and mix my molasses and sugar together. Now that we've got our mix together, this is your light brown sugar. If you want dark brown sugar, we're going to take our tablespoon again. We're going to put 1 more tablespoon of molasses into our mixture. Now we'll repeat the process. All right, here we've got our brown sugar now, and if you don't need all of it, you can definitely put it in an airtight container and store it, or make just enough for the recipe that you're going to be using. I hope this has inspired you to try to make some brown sugar at home, and if you do like this content, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Check out one of these other 2 videos over here. You might find something else you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.